Welcome to our complete guide on durable AI for small business owners. Today, we'll explore how innovative AI solutions can help your business thrive. Let's dive into the key features that make durable AI an essential tool for your business. Durable AI can significantly enhance customer experiences, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Let's analyze the cost-effectiveness of implementing durable AI and how it provides a solid return on your investment. Now, we'll present a step-by-step guide to selecting the right durable AI tools for your specific needs. Let's review some inspiring real-world case studies showcasing the success of small businesses using durable AI. While durable AI offers numerous benefits, there are challenges and pitfalls to be aware of. Let's explore some exciting future trends in durable AI that small businesses can leverage for continued growth. Here are some valuable resources for further learning and implementation support to boost your business with durable AI. In conclusion, embracing durable AI can lead to substantial growth and sustainability for your small business.